cuties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video I'm going to be recreating AUA's outfits, and if you don't know what I mean by that, all of them are a part of a group called Damn Fam. And if you don't know Damn Fam, you are living under a rock. Go check their channel out. And आज की वीडियो में I'm going to be recreating उन तीनों girls के outfits. I personally just love them so much, all three of them.
I've been told I should go, find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head.
And this is not to copy them or hurt anybody's feelings. It's just for fun purposes. And also I will not be recreating their whole poses and pictures and stuff. I'm only recreating the outfits. And bhul chuk ko maaf karna. All of that being said, let's get started with today's video. So you've already seen the first look. Let's start off with Ashna. In this picture, she's wearing a plaid red shirt and she's wearing a black tank top or a normal top inside, and नीचे का दिख नहीं रहा है, so I'm going to wear blue shorts with it. So I have my outfit ready. Let's go and get changed. So I'm here with the full look. This is what it looks like. I'm wearing the shirt and a tank top and blue shorts. And don't forget to rate all of these outfits down below. Rate them all out of a 10. And this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Let's go. So the next outfit is by Unnati, and you've already seen that. She's wearing a plain black top with white polka dots, and she has paired that with basic blue jeans. So let me go change into the outfit quickly. So this is what the next outfit looks like. I am wearing a pretty similar top. I don't know what hers looks like from the front, but mine just has these ruffles. But I think it काफी similar सा है, so So the next outfit is by AK. She's wearing this very bright hot pink kurti, and pink is her color, and she looks so pretty in it. But I know that picture itni clear nahi hai. It's because I have screenshotted that from a reel, so I know कि वो इतना clear नहीं दिख रहा है. But I think that she's paired white plazos with the kurti. I don't have one, so I'm gonna pair the kurti with white jeans. So let me go show you the complete outfit. This is what the outfit looks like. I'm very excited about Ashi's outfits because I have such similar ones, and next wala to is like next level ka similar. Don't skip to that part, see the whole video and then you will know ki kya hai. But yes, this is what I look like. I'm wearing white pants. ये देखो. एंड मैं बिल्कुल पंखा बंद करके AC बंद करके वीडियो बना रही हूँ, तो भगवान के नाम पे लाइक कर दो प्लीज़. अगर तुम लाइक और शेयर नहीं करोगे मेरे से बात मत करो, बस. मुझे नहीं पता, इतनी गर्मी लग रही है यार मेरे को, तो इसलिए प्लीज़ लाइक कर दो वीडियो को. एंड आई जस्ट शो यू द कंप्लीट आउटफिट नाउ. So yeah, those are all the outfits for today's video. I hope that you liked them. Just kidding, got you. But no, there's another set. The first set is done, but then there's another set. So let's move on to the next outfit. Of course, it's by Ashna फिर से, and it's like a green shirt, and she's paired that with blue shorts. I don't know how similar this is going to be because I think that the shirt is not too similar. It's my dad's shirt. So let me go try the outfit and let's see how similar it turns out. I know उसकी shirt में stripes नहीं है and इस वाली में है. I know it's थोड़ा सा different, but ये वाली जो picture screenshot करी थी मैंने उनकी profile से, that was done long ago, like two and a half months ago, and I was planning to make this video afterwards, but कुछ ज़्यादा ही डिले हो चुका है, बट दैट्स ओके. आई होप दैट यू गाइज हैव फन एंड दैट्स बिसाइड्स द पॉइंट. आई वाज सेइंग दैट मैंने काफ़ी पहले स्क्रीनशॉट करी थी एंड फॉर सम रीज़न आई थॉट दैट आई हैड अ सिमिलर शर्ट, बट मैंने अपनी पूरी वार्डरोब ढूंढ ली, पूरा हर जगह सब कुछ इसमें देख लिया, मुझे कहीं पर भी ऐसी शर्ट नहीं मिली. बट आई रियलाइज दैट माई डैड हैज़ अ सिमिलर शर्ट, सो मैंने यही पहन लिया. बट आई हैव अ वेरी सिमिलर शॉर्ट, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग. आई विल शो यू द फुल आउटफिट एंड देन यू रेट इट आउट ऑफ 10. So now let's move on to the next outfit by Unnati. जो next outfit है that too includes a shirt, but it's a blue plaid shirt and you've already seen me in that shirt. मैं अब बताऊंगी नहीं कौन सी है क्या है. She's wearing blue jeans with that, so I'm going to go change into the outfit and then I'll show you what I'm wearing. Unnati, the next मैं सब कुछ गलत ही क्यों बोलती हूँ. So I've changed into the outfit. The sleeve length is 3/4 plus the pattern is pretty similar. So in my opinion it matches with her outfit pretty well. And I think this picture is from the time when she got her tattoo done इधर. तो वो वाली पिक्चर है शायद से. So I think that is the most ऐसे closest that I could get. Let me show you the full look. This is the last outfit of today's video. I cannot wait to show you guys what I have. And मैं बता भी नहीं रही कि कितना सिमिलर है, खुद से देख लेना. मैं फटफट से चेंज करके आई, फिर I'll see you. Can you? नहीं मतलब can you believe this? I literally have the same exact outfit. बस अगर वो white cap होती तो legit मेरा दिन बन जाता आज. But कुछ ना कुछ कमी रह जाती है. I don't have the white cap. बट आउटफिट काफ़ी सिमिलर है, सो उससे कम चला लो प्लीज़. एंड जब आई वाज सिलेक्टिंग पिक्चर्स फॉर दिस वीडियो तब आई वाज लाइक ये वाला तो मुझे करना ही है. एंड आई फील लाइक यही एक दो आउटफिट्स वर द मेन रीजन दैट आई प्लान टू डू दिस वीडियो एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. तो लेट मी जस्ट गो रिव्यू द फुल आउटफिट. So on this similar pink moment, let's end today's video. I really hope that you guys liked it. मेरे को काफ़ी मज़ा आता है ऐसे फैशन वीडियोस फिल्म करने में. They are very very hectic. बहुत ही गर्मी लगती है और मैं लिटरली मर जाती हूँ कपड़े चेंज करते हुए. But still they are very fun and I like watching them also. So I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below कि तुम्हें कैसे लगे outfits. Rate them out of 10. Share this video as much as you can. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.